Hello friends, cheers. I am Stuti and today we are going to talk about this beautiful rare plant called prayer plant or Maranta plant. But before we talk about it, this is my first video guys, and I request you to please subscribe my channel and like this video so that I get encouragement to make more such content. So let's go. So this is a very beautiful plant. It's so colorful that it adds so much color to my room, my living room, and I love it so much. And once I just wanted and I decided I want this plant. I did some research and I was not able to find any content about the care tips of this plant in Dubai region, as I'm living in Dubai right now, and even in India region, because in Delhi and North India it's quite similar temperature and it's quite similar heat, warm. So I was not able to find any good video. So I decided that I will make the video because I had this plant since 1 month. So this plant belongs to tropical forest, southern American forest or Brazilian tropical forest, and hence it don't like very cold or very hot temperature. It like moderate temperature and lots of humidity. And that's why I have heard that it is very delicate plant, because if it gets too much of sunlight, it will dry. If you give too much of cold, it will dry. So it is a very moderate and tropical plant, and that's why it's hard to get it survive in these hot and heat scorching areas. So I tried to get it from local small nurseries, but I couldn't find, because of the obvious reasons. They might find it difficult to sustain it. But finally I got it from Dubai Garden Center, and that is a huge mall for plant lovers. You get everything related to plants, all varieties of plant there. So I got it from there. And since I got it, it's been 1 month. And I can see there are some new growth here. So I now can say that it has adjusted well in my environment. And I have not repotted it in another pot. So it is the same pot I have bought in. Let me show you the pot in which I got it. Oh, okay. See. This is the pot in which I got it. It's a fair amount of small pot, but it supported it very much in a good way. And I decided not to repot it until I'm sure that it is doing well in my conditions. I got it you can see here 29 dirhams, which I think is a fair deal for this kind of plant. And if I talk about the condition or what type of conditions it like, so it like light soil, porous, well-drained soil. It like moist conditions, but not drenched. It don't like to be drenched in water. So what you have to do, you have to water it only when the soil is dry. Also, it like humidity a lot. So if you can arrange for a humidifier, that would be great. The second option is that you can place it with a bunch of other plants that like humidity together. So they form a kind of ecosystem and it helps them to sustain. This is the second thing. And if I talk about the light, so see, this is my main door, balcony door, and I kept it over there. So I keep it there. It get hardly 15-20 minutes of direct sunlight in the evening time, and a good light, indirect good light whole day. And I can say it is doing okay here. If I talk about the fertilization, so does not need much of a fertilization. Every twice, once in a 2 month would be fine, a normal NPK. Yes, but the considerate thing is that the water, what kind of water you should provide it. So what I have heard and what I have researched, it don't like tap water, because there are a lot of chemicals in it. It's a fair amount of delicate plant. So what you can do, you can boil the water and keep it overnight or 24 hours, then give it, because this is highly fragile to chemicals find in Dubai tap water, because Dubai is a hard water. Tap water is a hard water. So in Dubai, you have to take care like this. Don't put it on balcony, not at all, not even in direct sunshade. It will dry off, because the leaves are so fragile. You can see so fragile, and you can see the red color. See, this is so beautiful. See, this is how beautiful it is. See, the red color, the maroon reddish color, back of the leaf. So if you are keeping it in Dubai or in Delhi area, you have to keep it in a room where it is AC, because Dubai, it is all everywhere it's a centralized AC, so there is no problem. So in India also, in the part like Delhi, you can keep it in a room where you have AC, and you get good amount of indirect sunlight, where you can keep it. And in India, if you are keeping it in Pune region or Bangalore region or Mumbai region, I think it will do fine, because there's a lot of humidity already there. So that area will support. So this is the care tips you have to take care about this plant. And if you want to ask anything else about this plant, so you can comment, and anything else you want to add, you can comment. And that's it. Thank you guys. Bye bye.